17, and I was hurt as a passenger in a car wreck on Thursday night. Had to go to the ER. My neck and back are still very sore. How do I file a claim on this since I was not driving? Matthew, what are your thoughts? A little bit to unpack here.
Oh, yeah, indeed, there is a lot to talk about. Well, first of all, because you're 17, you can't bring an action directly. You have to bring through a guardian. A 17-year-old can't walk into court and go file his own lawsuit. Typically, what you have to do is you have to go to Chancery Court in advance and get permission. You usually do that through your parents,
right?
Who are considered by law your natural guardians, and so it's so it'd be name of mom or dad on behalf of the minor child, and that's how it's prosecuted. But interesting, Kenny, in that kind of case, that 17-year-old technically could have a case against a negligent driver, but also could have a case against the driver of their own vehicle. If you're driving and I'm a passenger in your vehicle and you do something foolish, and we know that's liable to happen, that could happen easily.
Sure.
I technically have a claim against you.
Right.
So that's another aspect to look at.
Hayes, your thoughts?
Well, the same. It's always a difficult thing to first turn to the person right beside you in the car and say, "Did you do this to me?"
Yeah, right.
And what is my relationship with you? I mean, there are some personal things that have to be maneuvered there, but you have to do it to the caller. You've got to first find out who has insurance. We're talking about insurance again.
Right.
Did the person driving your car have insurance that covered them in that car? That's possibly you. Did the other driver act in a negligent way, and do they have insurance? Now, all accidents in Mississippi produce an accident report.
That's true.
And,
we're supposed to.
Well, yes. And the police department or the local law enforcement agency has some kind of method for obtaining that report. And one of the categories that they're supposed to put on there is who had insurance and what were the contact information. So that's something that a person needs to get a hold of too, so they can start answering this question.